of the year, all 5 of the little mountaintop kitties in the building. They're about, I say about 3 or 4 weeks now. And they looking pretty good, looking pretty healthy. We got one of them that got a lot of cold in his eye. That's that one right there. He be having a lot of mucus eye problem. That one right there, dude. So I'll be kind of wash his face in the morning. The rest of them are somewhat adventurous. And pretty much when they wake up, I kind of look over in their little basket and their little drawer and whatnot. And they look right up at me, want to get out, like they want me to pick them up and stuff. The mama let me touch them while she feeding them. And the mama cat also let me touch her, rub her forehead or something while she feeding. And it's a good trust issue. Issue meaning that the mother cat really trusts me with her kittens. I'm the only one really can really do this with them without the mama cat tripping. So Mountaintop Live, this is how we get it in. I guess you can say this is Mountaintop Animal Planet. You know what I mean? Mountaintop Animal Planet, Mountaintop style, Mountaintop Animal Planet. This is what we do. They are great stress relievers too. That's my cross-eyed cat, Tutu, right there. I'm checking them out and everything. So this is what we do here at Mountaintop. This is what we do. Anyway, Tutu. Tutu. Yeah, Tutu going somewhere. Tutu. 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 Eat. You're trying to get him to look straight up. Sometimes he looks straight up, sometimes he don't. Tutu. But anyway, that's how we do it, Mountaintop Live. Like I said, went on ahead and put the kitties out, let them kind of walk around in a little more room and stuff. Well, that's how we do it. Sometimes feel bad for what you're seeing on that show. They came to clean your bathroom because there are 5,000 pieces of clothing in there. Oh, man, you see, this is little Nuki right here. That's little Nuki. That's little Nuki. He's about the slimmest of the bunch. But he very quiet. All the other ones kind of cry when you pick him up a little bit until you rub him. Little Nuki, he be straight. Little Nuki be straight. That's Kitty right there. He's just checking him out. What y'all talking about? Yeah, them the Mountaintop kitties. Probably about another week or 2. They should be moving a little bit better without all the stumbling. They're still getting their balance together, how they, maneuver, checking out stuff, senses. They already hissing. If they don't know you, they will hiss at you automatically. Survival mode already kicks in them, pretty much. Once they start opening their eyes, walking around, and all that good stuff. And that's how we do it here at Mountaintop Animal Planet Edition. It's your boy, King DJ KG Canova. Only just a relaxing time of what we do in Mountaintop, you know what I'm saying? We're looking at the kitties doing their thing, the kittens do their thing here. Like I said, good stress reliever. Yes, man. And that's how we do it. That's how we get it. Mountaintop ENT, keep pumping the new music that we can put up on the SoundCloud today. Another hot single, Money, Money, Money. Yeah, go ahead and get it already. That was written and produced by KG Canova, Poppy Young Ghana, And also your boy Velvel from Chicago already. But other than that, like I said, Mountaintop Animal Planet, this how we do it. Already live. We got the little kids on deck. Like I said, stress reliever, all that. Something to do. Already.